Well, although it's easy enough when you're using gCADPlus to create a plant schedule, there are times, such as in this drawing here, where you may well have a garden bed area with a zone, and it's the pale green zone here, where you want to put some ground cover, and it's hard to calculate the number of ground cover species that you want to put into these sorts of areas. Well, gCADPlus has a tool to do that. So if we go to ground cover and make a ground cover, we're first asked to pick a closed boundary line that surrounds the area of interest, and gCADPlus has done that. We then asked what are the units that we are working with. Well, we're working in millimetres, and we pick the particular plant we want to use, and that throws us straight to the GCP file. I may well want to use one of the Dianellas, Dianella revoluta, the flax lily we'll choose. We'll OK that. Now we're asked for an abbreviation. DR can go in, and our plant spacing. Let's imagine that we are used to spacing these 300 millimetre apart, and what it's going to give us is a number for the zone, because you can apply this right through a design, and it will calculate the number that we need for that area. First ask to put a leader in, so we can indicate the second point of the leader. Now the text height, so I can just dynamically indicate we want it about the height of the other text here. And now the insert point for the number block goes in, and let's put the number block, we can pop it wherever we like, and then we draw the number block like so. And once that's done, we have a 1, let me zoom in, a 1 inside of a circle, and so we can say this is zone 1, and we're going to use 20 Dianella revoluta to fill this little area through here at a spacing of 300 millimetres. Once you've done that, then it's possible to zoom in to, say, the base of the existing plant schedule, and we can run a little schedule and add a new plant schedule to the base of that. Well, the ground cover schedule was generated by going to gCADPlus, ground cover, draw the schedule, and we're asked to set up a box for the ground cover bit, just like we did before with the main plant schedule. It being the new schedule that we've just drawn is a block, and so we can select it and edit that block and change anything that we like in this area. So we can close from there. So it's a way of giving you another automated schedule and to calculate the number of plants that you're going to use in a massed ground cover planting area. There are other ways to do that, of course. You can use the gCADPlus tool for filling a closed polyline with a symbol, and you might want to use that if you want mass planting and getting say a 45-degree angle through mass planting. But that's a story for another day.